In this video, I will show you how to make password-free and direct payment to any supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to set password-free and direct payment to supplier in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here to open your Pinduoduo shopping app. Then having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your dashboard. Then take you to this particular page, okay? Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this setting icon. Then you click on here. So if you are using WeChat to make payment on Pinduoduo shopping app, you have to click on here. But if you are using Alipay, you have to click on here. So as for me, I'm using Alipay to make purchase on Pinduoduo shopping app. So I have to make sure I click on here to proceed. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to confirm. So in a few minutes, it's going to connect to your Alipay and ask you to give permission from Alipay. Alright, so what you need to do next is to make sure you click on here to give a permission to Pinduoduo shopping app. So this is how to make a password-free and direct payment to any supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Tower or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.